The following message is transmitted at the request of the Boston Police Department. A hostage situation is occurring inside Boston City Hall. 5 terrorists have taken several hostages in the building, and police are working to resolve the situation. The threat that they pose, and their demands are currently unknown at this time. As a precaution, no traffic is being allowed within a 1/4-mile radius of Boston City Hall. Nearby buildings are being examined and evacuated as well. Stay away from this area. Do not go near this area for any reason. Stay tuned to local media outlets for further messages and information on this developing situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Boston Police Department. This message is an update on the hostage situation at City Hall in downtown Boston. 37 people were taken hostage by terrorists at City Hall late this morning. At this time, 30 still remain inside the building. While their demands are still unknown at this time, it is presumed that they have the potential to kill, if necessary. All buildings within a 1/2-mile radius have now been evacuated, and no traffic is being allowed in the area. Please limit the use of cell phones at this time. Leave the lines open for emergency use. Stay tuned to local media outlets for further messages and information on this developing situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Boston Police Department. 5 terrorists are threatening to detonate a massive nuclear device inside City Hall. While authorities have not confirmed the presence of this weapon, they are encouraging all nearby residents to take precautionary actions. All buildings within a 1/2-mile radius have been evacuated, and no one is being allowed in the area for any reason. All residents of Essex, Norfolk, Middlesex, and Suffolk counties are required to seek out a fallout shelters immediately. Fallout is a product of nuclear attacks. Prolonged exposure will result in certain death. Any individuals within the radius of this broadcast are encouraged to locate fallout shelters also. If detonation occurs, it will only take a minute for the effects to reach nearby areas. Make sure you have a battery-powered radio for your stay in the fallout shelter. Tune to 770 AM for information inside your shelter. The following message is transmitted at the request of the White House. A terrorist attack has taken place in the city of Boston. A large nuclear bomb was detonated at City Hall at 2:36 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The bomb produced fallout, which is deadly, if exposed for an extended period of time. All residents within a 400-mile radius of Boston are strongly encouraged to seek out a fallout shelter. As a last resort, go to an underground room with no windows. Keep as many walls and objects as possible between yourself and exterior walls. Tune to 770 AM for more information, or tune to local media outlets for more specific details. The President will be speaking on the situation shortly. Stand by for this message. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air, providing news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is WCAU will continue to serve the Philadelphia area. If you are not in this local area, you should tune to station providing news and information to your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the Philadelphia area. Do not use your telephones. The telephone lines should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated.